Oh, hello once again and welcome to Kiwati. Chris here introducing this Python course. And guys, before I get started, I'm going to show you some course overview. Our course now is composed of 7 parts, and then we are going to see what they covers. The first part is where we get started, and then we have a general overview that helps to answer some commonly asked questions about why you need to learn Python and why you need it, and then some persons who are beginners now will understand why we need to learn Python. And then part 2 we cover the core types and operations. We will explore core Python built-in types like numbers, arrays, dictionaries, strings, and so on. And this is the most part where you will get the idea on what you are doing. Part 3 is now dealing with statement and syntax. Here we will study the code you type to create and process objects in Python. Part 4 will cover the core functions. This is where we'll look at Python higher level program structure tools, which record functions, and then functions facilitate the code reuse and avoid code redundancy. Then at part 5 we'll be dealing with Python modules. Python modules let you organize statements and functions into a larger components, and this section will introduce how to create modules packages, module reloading, and so on. And then the part 6 we cover the core object-oriented programming. And this is the more useful part now, where we see the OOP as a powerful way to structure code for customization and reuse in order to avoid writing all things by yourself. And then guys, we are coming at the last section, which is called handling exceptions. And this will be used when we are handling some kind of larger programs, and then it will enlighten you to become an effective developer, as it will help you to get ideas to start writing larger application programs, and then help you to debug more easily. And so guys, I hope you will like this course, and then let's jump straight to it.